most important thing is that we're all nice and safe. It's not a competition. We go as far as we go. Two boats there that'll keep an eye on us.
Just finished the Arugambay Big Swim. Everybody made it safely across, including a couple of kids, which is incredible. We had swimmers, paddlers, support crew over here. It's a big event and it's all to improve girls' education, which is so important over here on the east coast of Sri Lanka. Signing out.
Fantastic. It was 1 year I was dreaming of this and I finally made it. It was amazing. You are all amazing in this place. Really, I love you all.
Swim was very hard. I wanted to give up, but I didn't give up. And I was very tired. And now that I made it, I'm very happy.